Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, we're going to learn about journal posting setup. So, journal posting setup in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a configuration setting that allows you to define default accounts for various transaction types. I mean, it serves as a functional setup for financial transactions and is often used as baseline for other posting groups in the system. So let's say if we go to tell me option and find out about journal posting setup, when we open that, you will see everything's there. So you get these default accounts. Like journal post setup enables you to specify default accounts for transactions such as sales, purchases, and journal accounts. For example, I've got this open here. That's chart of accounts. If I remove this, you will see that as chart of accounts. So if I type 10130, that'll show you this account, sales account, which shows as resales of goods. If you go to 10910, I'll show you discounts. You can see the discounts there and there. So let's check this one. So 10110, that's sales of finished goods. So that's covering the sales side. So if we move to this side, you'll have purchase accounts, etc. on this side. So 64140, that's goods for resales. And if you click on that, that will actually show you the GL account card. Here we go for that account. So all the basic information is given there. So that means goods of resales showing as assets, and subcategories it's inventory as well. So you get journal posting setups there. You set up according to your needs. So you get journal posting type, journal business posting, posting group, product posting group, web posting, web business posting, web product posting, and other information. We'll see that later on. So next one's there, 31550. So 31550. So that's purchase discount. So as you can see, that purchase line discounts are there. This one's it's COGS account. So let's say 20110. That's cost of materials. So basically, we're going to close this. The journal posting setup shows few things. So key aspects of journal posting setup includes default accounts. These are default accounts. So you can say that the default accounts enables you to specify default accounts for transactions such as sales, purchase, or journal ledger entries, etc. And it shows you the transaction types as well. I mean, it covers a range of transaction types, providing a central configuration point for the default accounts associated with different financial activities. Fundamental configuration, it is a baseline for financial transactions, and obviously you'll have flexibility for customization as well. Other options, you've got this new, so you can enter a new line, and you can delete it, you can edit it, suggest accounts, and you can copy as well, and you can go to Power Automate as well. Obviously it's a different side, so we're not copying that here. So this was just the basic information about journal posting setup, and thanks for watching.